Hi guys, I'm back, Joe here. Welcome back to Crypto Rosetta. New week, happy Monday everybody. Okay, so where are we at the moment? Well, Bitcoin has reclaimed 37,000, got just a little move up on the Sunday just to try and close that weekly candle green, which it successfully did. Got us back above 37. We're kind of holding 37,000 as support on the low time frames at time of recording. It's hovering around about 36.5 most of the weekend, got us back up there now. Nothing crazy going on. 38k still remains the major resistance that we're looking to break in the bullish case, to cancel out any chance of this just being a distribution play on the higher time frames leading to Bitcoin breaking down. So we want to remain bullish, or if you are bullish out there, really do want to see that key 40k level and importantly consolidate, not just get completely rejected out of there and then drop back into the low 30s. That won't be great. Really, the bullish case now should be looking for a stronger move to the upside, in my opinion, to thoroughly confirm that this is a bull market, which I don't believe has been confirmed yet, and I still remain skeptical. Similar story in terms of the stock market. Again, everybody getting pretty euphoric, pretty excited about the likes of the S&P 500, the likes of the NASDAQ right now. And again, charts do look strong. Good couple of weeks there, good daily candles, opening up gaps, closing up. But one key thing to be aware of on the stock market is we are still below the summer highs of this year, and the summer highs of last year are still below the all-time highs. So again, everybody getting crazy, super bullish on that, but really few more price targets to be taken out across the board on the major indexes. Speaking of the stock market as well, it is a big week. We've got nvidia earnings coming up. Obviously, we've got the magnificent 7 stocks. We know how heavily weighted the indexes are at the moment. I don't actually think that's a great thing, but economically, some people may have completely different opinions on this. Think that the indexes can remain bullish as long as the big stocks are holding them up. Personally, I think you should look at the likes of, say, the Russell 2000, etc. Maybe painting a more realistic outlook on what is going on economically. If the small caps aren't doing great as well, then that's something I think we should be aware of. I truly believe it's a full-blown macro bull market, that the small caps will also be doing well. Now, a lot of people could say they're looking to potentially catch up, similar to crypto, right? Are the altcoins looking to catch up with Bitcoin? Now, speaking about altcoins, again, a lot of excitement that some altcoins have gone higher than the sort of January fake out, which everybody thought that the bottom of the market was in, and that January run up was the start of the bull market for altcoins. Obviously, we know that quickly reversed and we ground down for the majority rest of this year until the recent move of the last few weeks. Now, such altcoins being the likes of Solana, likes of AVAX, likes of Chainlink, yes, they are above any bullish moves that they had earlier on in the year. But I think it's still important to make note, just remember that the vast majority of these altcoins are still below those January prices, and those January prices are still way below all-time highs. So again, I mentioned in a video, going back a few weeks, that the likes of Total 3, Total 2 were showing breakouts on the charts, and that obviously is a good thing. That is going to provide some bullish momentum. But I'm just cautious on is it a short-term play or is it a long-term play? Now, leave us a comment below if you're super confident that it's a long-term play, that the bottom is finally in for these altcoins and we're finally in a great accumulation period. I know many people in the community have been buying altcoins over the last few weeks, which is great, and are in good positions on those, and many of you have already taken profit. You've made comments on that. Some of you aren't taking any profits at all, and whether that's if you're more of a degen, or if you just, again, it's confidence. I always say have conviction in what you're doing in this market, and I'm not ever criticizing anyone for dollar cost averaging in this market, and I really do hope that the bottom is in for the buyers. Again, I've not bought any altcoins in the last few weeks myself. yes, I'm able to, but I'm more investing in other plays which are kind of working out at the moment. Obviously everyone's got to make their own decisions. When I'm looking to deploy some more capital into the markets next year, whether they're higher than today or not is not a problem. It's about timing for me personally, but again, just remaining cautious, because I think Q1 2024 is going to be really important. I just want to see this NASDAQ set, a higher high. I want to see the S&P 500 set a higher high. Then it's time to get in. If this doesn't play out and we start to roll here and we take out the lows since of the recent pullback, then it's going to look pretty bad. It's going to look strong case for the bears, and I don't actually think that will be a time to get in either. And I don't think that'll be a bear trap as such. I think that will be a serious warning sign that things are going significantly lower. Key things I'm watching this week: gold. Again, at a key level, is it going to break 2000 again and consolidate, get up to 2100, and then maybe a gold is going to be pushing for a significant new all-time high. Likewise, DXY can still drop a little bit here and remain bullish. However, if it loses the 100 again, then again it's looking like not good for the DXY, and again we may be back in a risk on environment. So again, watch out. Again, if you're just more cautious out there, I think you've got time to wait, guys. I don't think you're gonna lose out on massive gains by just being a bit more cautious, in my opinion. I also think the risk appetite is also down to how much capital you're looking to play with. I'll be looking to play with a significant amount of capital. To me, if you're just investing a few $100, $1,000, whatever it is relevant to you, whether it's just spare change around you, then of course naturally you can be a bit more riskier, right? So other charts, again, watching this week, Ethereum. I think Ethereum's been a little bit more volatile than Bitcoin. Bitcoin may continue to go a little bit more boring in the next few days unless we get some significant news. Obviously ETH, great run back up to that 2100 region, but again it's major resistance, just like it is now for BTC at 38k. But it's been resistance for Ethereum for a long time now. We're going back just over a year. In fact, it's essentially just been trading sideways from that 2100 top. So the fact that Ethereum still hasn't got up to 2400 area, considering where Bitcoin is, I don't think is a great sign for the market, in my opinion. Get to 2400 and consolidate up there, everything changes, and I don't see any reason, if Ethereum managed to do that, why it wouldn't be looking for new all-time highs to try and be target out that 5,000 range to begin with. And then by that stage, altcoins will be absolutely flying, and we'll be able to just be full risk on and get in there, guys. So that'll be great. Am I really ambitious, and do I have great hope that is going to happen? I'll be honest, I don't. It's not. What I'm seeing around me is not leading me to think that's going to happen. But again, if you've got a different opinion, leave us a comment below. But I'm seeing people struggling with cash around them, don't seem to have as much spare money that they maybe had in 2020, 2021. Maybe that's just who I'm around. Again, maybe you're seeing different things. So let us know. Give us your opinion. Now, if you are brand new here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, select all notifications. Go back and watch previous videos, and welcome to the family. Thank you all for watching. Now also, still go to cryptcoms.com, guys. We've still got 2 competitions running. You can win up to £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, altcoins. You can have stable coins as a prize if you want. You can enter from absolutely anywhere, and of course the winners are chosen by a third party randomly. We can't affect who wins. So check out cryptcoms.com if you're interested in winning a great crypto prize. Naturally, if you win that £10,000 worth, hodl it on, and that coin, whatever you choose as a prize, increases in price, then you've got a bigger prize, right? So great opportunity. Now, current trades I've still got open. I'm still short on Bitcoin Cash. I may look to take some new positions in the next couple of weeks on Prime XBT. We've got an affiliate link in the description if you're interested in that. I think there's good opportunities in the market. I know a lot of people are still really bullish. being long late is not as bad as short and late, in my opinion. Still think a lot of these altcoins are still pretty high. Some are still going higher, so they are going to roll over at some stage. Just be aware that these whales will take profits at some stage, in my opinion. But in terms of trades alongside as well, again, if we get breakouts on the stock market, if the stock market takes out the summer highs, I think there's going to be some fantastic opportunity and a good bit of momentum going through into Q1 24. But that's all ifs at the moment. At major resistance, let's see how it plays out, how these nvidia earnings play out again this week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.